Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I absolutely love these adorable sea turtles. I was looking for something cute and beachy to hang on the fence that leads back to my pool, and I am thoroughly pleased with these. There's a lot of things that impress me about this set. First of all, I love the colors. There are several different color schemes to choose from, and all of them are so beautiful it was hard to choose which one I love the most. I love the durable material that they're made out of. The metal as well as the paint are very tough, and I know that they're going to last us for years to come. It's also nice to know that even if a storm comes and the wind blows, these turtles are not going to break if they fall. Now, I chose to hang them on my fence outside, but these would also be extremely cute in a bathroom or anywhere that you want to add a little beachy feel inside or out. They're very easy to hang. They all have hooks on the back, and I simply marked the spot where I wanted to hang them on the fence, and they went on very easily. So if you're looking for something to add a little beachy vibe to your home, whether it's in a bathroom, a bedroom, or outside on the patio or pool, these adorable and durable sea turtles will make even the dullest corner feel like a day in the sun.
And that's my point of view.